Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to what has been our sort of second home for the last few months, Goa. We've been living in and out of Goa for the past few months and it has been amazing. And if you want to know why, keep watching the video because somewhere along the way I talk about it. सो हम लास्ट कुछ महीनों से बहुत ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली जब से शुक्र हुई है वी बीन ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट एंड एवरी टाइम आई फील लाइक आई पुट आउट अ स्टोरी about my travels. I don't get asked anymore about what I'm wearing, what I'm eating, where I'm going, but I only get asked about how is it traveling with a baby. Is it tough? Is it easy? Do you follow the routines? Is it overwhelming? Do you do this? Do you do that? एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने शुक्र के साथ ट्रैवल किया था मेरे दिमाग में भी ऐसा एक बड़ी सी लिस्ट थी कि कैसे करना है क्या करना है इट वॉज ओवरवेलमिंग एंड नाउ आई फील लाइक आई ट्रैवल लाइक अ प्रो बिकॉज हमने इतना ट्रैवल कर लिया दैट अब मुझे लगता है ईजी है कर लेंगे सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अप अ लॉट ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस दैट योर मम्स हैव बीन सेंडिंग मी एंड आई विल ट्राई एंड आंसर देम as honestly as possible. And yeah, just I think this is going to be a very chatty video. Also because I'm on a holiday, it becomes very difficult. Okay, so here's the catch. जितनी भी मेरी YouTube वीडियोस आ रही है फर्स्टली थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव आई वुड अप्रिशिएट अ लिटिल बिट मोर लव बट इट्स ओके स्प्रेड द वर्ड बट बिकॉज वो सारी वीडियोस मैं बहुत दिल से बना रही हूँ एंड दोज आर थिंग्स दैट आई रियली बिलीव इन बट दे आर ऑल्सो पॉसिबल बिकॉज माई टीम is helping me, you know, shoot them, put it together, they come home and otherwise बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है with a toddler to always take out this time. Now my team is not with me, so I'm on a holiday and I only have my phone and my Yan and it's a bit difficult because मैंने कभी vlog किया नहीं है मुझे नहीं याद मैंने कभी किया है and I find it very difficult. And you know I'm the kind of person that when I travel and especially after Shukar I just like to be in the moment and not be too much on my phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot the answers as and when I can and as and when possible. So you'll see me in different locations doing different things during the course of my holiday. So please bear with me. Technical glitches हो सकते हैं, कैमरा उल्टा पुल्टा हो सकता है, साउंड अप एंड डाउन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है बेसिकली बट एक चीज़ जो नहीं होगी इज़ झूठे आंसर्स सो आई नो मैं सब सच्चाई से बोलूँगी आई एम गोना शेयर ऑल द टिप्स हैक्स वट एवर आई हैव आई एम जस्ट गोना शेयर विद यू लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ कॉफ़ी डेट विद माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड सो कम ऑन ममास लेट्स डू दिस. So first question, is it even a vacation when you're traveling with your baby? Oh absolutely it is. It is such a beautiful vacation. Vacation का meaning ही change हो जाता है. वो वेकेशन आपके बच्चे के लिए ज़्यादा आपके लिए कम बट समहाउ आपके लिए भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होती है. ये वेकेशन काफ़ी हेक्टिक होती है. यू नो द काइंड ऑफ वेकेशन यू नीड अ वेकेशन फ्रॉम दैट्स व्हाट द वेकेशंस बिकम अबाउट बट दे जस्ट डिफरेंट एंड इट्स जॉयस एंड फुलफिलिंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे एंड it can get tiring, I'm not going to lie. As a parent vacationing and as a non-parent vacationing is very different but it's fulfilling and when you see that smile and joy in your child's face when they see something new and explore a new world that is a vacation for your heart and I love that. So did becoming a mom change the way how you look at holidays? Oh absolutely. It's now all about शुक्र को क्या पसंद है, शुक्र कौन सी जगह एंजॉय करेगी, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा एनिमल्स है, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा नेचर है, सनलाइट है, स्क्रीन्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए खाने लायक क्या है, बेबी चेयर उस रेस्टोरेंट में है कि नहीं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. सो इट एब्सोल्युटली चेंजेस एंड आई लव चूजिंग हॉलीडे स्पॉट्स विच हैव अ लॉट for her to learn, something to explore and a lot of nature. I think that is the top priority right now कि जहाँ पे भी हम जाएं वहाँ पे nature बहुत ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. The next question is, how do I travel with my little one without carrying my whole world? The answer to this is that I don't carry my whole world. I'm gonna give you okay, this looks like I'm carrying the whole world but I'm not. Sorry, excuse my eyeball because I'm so used to looking at myself when talking. This is me looking, and then ये है लेंस में, तो मैं लेंस में देखूंगी. Anyway, I'm straight out of the shower, तो मैं कैमरा सेटअप करने वाली हूँ. So इस उत्तर का जवाब है कि I don't travel with the whole world. I know right now it looks like I have a lot of stuff. That's only because हम हमारे होटल पे रह रहे हैं गोवा में. This is my husband's new venture, by the way. We're staying at the Passport Hotel in Goa in Asagam, and we've been spending a lot of time here because Ashish aa rahe the, and you know every month he had to come here and set it up and work, blah blah blah. So हम अपना सारा सामान यहाँ छोड़ के जा रहे थे. So one of the rooms was here, is here blocked for us. So a lot of Shuka's like toys, her books, her stroller, कपड़े, मेरे कपड़े, आशीष के कपड़े, बहुत सारा सामान है हमारा यहीं पे है. So इसलिए ऐसा, इवन नैनी के काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हम यहीं पे रख देते, तो इसलिए ऐसा लग रहा है कि द होल वर्ल्ड इज़ विद अस. बट नॉर्मली जब हम ऐसी जगहों पे जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमारा होटल नहीं है, एंड वी चेक इन टू अ होटल. Sorry, I can't help it. I have to fix my hair. Okay, does this look all right? Because I just had a shower, my hair's dirty, I'm due for a wash. Anyway, so those are Shuka's toys, by the way, which are kept here. I'll quickly show you what else, like her books, etc. So, all these things are here. But normally, जब हम दूसरे होटल में check in करते हैं, I like to travel light. I like to keep things simple. मैं उसके टॉयज़, बुक्स, ये सब चीज़ें ज़्यादा नहीं कैरी करती हूँ, बिकॉज़ आई बिलीव दैट हर जगह पे जाके कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो वो एक्सप्लोर कर सकती है, राइट. तो वहाँ के पत्थर, फूल, पौधे, वहाँ की कोई बुक्स, एंड जस्ट टू एक्सप्लोर. सो ऑफ कोर्स उसकी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो डेफिनेटली जाती हैं, लाइक हर फेवरेट हनुमान जी इज़ ऑलवेज विद अस. सो यू नो 1 or 2 थिंग्स आर देयर. दिस वन वी ऑलवेज कैरी फॉर हर म्यूज़िक. एक उसकी बहुत ही साफ़ सुथरी, पन इंटेंडेड, मिमी कैट है जो इतनी गंदी है, इतनी डर्टी है. मैंने बहुत बार सोचा कि मैं इसको बस फेंक दूँ. ये मतलब पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ गिर के आई है, कीचड़ में, सुसु में, पानी में, बट हम इसको धोते रहते हैं. बट पुअर मिमी कैट की शक्ल अब ऐसी हो गई है. Hello! And Shukur loves her, obviously. So these 2-3 things are always with us. Apart from that, not. What I do carry हमेशा is शुकर के snacks and food items. So जैसे कि ये वाला, उसका nuts and seed powder का डब्बा ज़रूर रहता है. बिकॉज़ क्या है, अगर आप बाहर भी खा रहे हो कहीं भी, सो आप ये पाउडर उसके खाने में मिक्स कर सकते हो, एंड न्यूट्रिशन इज़ नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. देन सो बेसिकली स्नैक्स, यू नो, आई विल शो यू. लाइक दिस डब्बा इज़ फुल ऑफ मखाने, राइट. ओके, मेरे से एक हाथ से खुलेगा नहीं. सेट कर लूँ क्या कैम? नहीं, बट एनीवे, अब forget it. So इसमें मखाने हैं. ओके, जस्ट टेक माई वर्ड फॉर इट. मखाने हर जगह जाते हैं. हमारा घी हर जगह जाता है, राइट. बिकॉज हर जगह का घी मुझे पता नहीं है कैसी क्वालिटी का होता है. सो दीज आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स दैट आर ऑलवेज विद अस. And that's a little food world. Apart from this, I like to keep it simple. I like to keep it light because वैसे ही एक माँ की ज़िंदगी में इतना काम हो जाता है, and while traveling there's so much happening that I don't carry things that I feel I may not need. And anyway, now everywhere everything is available. whether वो इंडिया है या बाहर है, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन मिल जाता है, सब कुछ डिलीवरी हो जाती है. बहुत बार मैं चीज़ें प्री डिलीवर करा देती हूँ. ट्रैवल हैक बाय द वे, जैसे अगर हम ज़्यादा दिन के लिए जा रहे हैं तो रादर देन कैरिंग द डाइपर्स, मैं पहले ही वहाँ पे डाइपर्स के 2-3 पैकेट भिजवा देती हूँ. सो आई डोंट हैव टू कैरी इट. Applause. Wasn't that a good trick? So things like this. Yeah, that's what makes my life easier. And I don't carry the whole world. Actually, you know what? I do carry my whole world with me. My whole world is Shukar and Ashish. Wah, wah, wah. What an answer. Yeah, well, they're my world and I carry them with me. Did traveling make me more confident as a mother or more stressed? Definitely more confident, because if you can hack those flight cryings, the feeding, the end-minute diaper changes, and so many other things. If you can hack that, then you can definitely hack anything in life. It's like, it's a superpower. The first time I traveled with Shukar, and it was a bit stressful in the beginning, but then by the end of it, I was like, oh my God, I'm a superwoman. So definitely more confident. What's the one hack that saves me while traveling? इसका एक पार्ट का आंसर तो मैं ऑलरेडी दे चुकी हूँ. इज़ प्री ऑर्डरिंग स्टफ. कि जहाँ मैं जाने वाली हूँ उसके पहले वहाँ का सामान वहाँ पे भिजवा दो, so you don't have to carry it. The other one is more of a mental hack for your peace of mind is not to think too much about pictures. I know it's very contradictory because आप vacation पे जा रहे हो तो pictures तो लेनी है, you want to record all those moments, but you know what? Trust me. By the way, sorry for the Goa roads. Trust me, वो moments हो जाते हैं and you don't need 1,000. You know how pre-motherhood I would want pictures of everything. You know what I'm wearing, what I'm eating, this background, this restaurant, blah blah blah. Now and then I used to feel even before motherhood कि हमें इतनी photos की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We post barely 1 or 2 and some of our memories. So I'm anyway done with this whole picture thing. Excuse me. And now with Shukar around, I really feel like it's so important to enjoy the holiday and relish the time and savor every moment with your baby. So if you have this mental hack that I don't want to take pictures, pictures just happen. If you just enjoy the moment, there'll always be someone, either Ashish will take care, या मैं एक selfie ले लूँगी, या एक कहीं पे कोई कुछ, but not thinking or revolving your entire holiday around pictures. It's all right. If you get 5 photos from your entire holiday, it's fine. Trust me, kids are going to remember. Their core memory is going to be कि holiday पे हमने, how was the holiday, how did we feel, and 1 or 2 pictures are more than enough to capture that moment. So I would say that is my mental hack, that forget about the pictures, just have fun. And it's just so much more peaceful even for you without that stress of ye photo nahi le, wo photo nahi le. Trust me on this one. I think there is no ideal age. I know people who've traveled from when the baby was a few days old to people who've not traveled till the baby was a year old, and it's really all right. Like Ashish and I, हमने सोचा था कि हम जैसे ही शुक्र 3 महीने की हो जाएगी we'll travel, but we did travel. We went to Nasik, so we started with something small. Nasik was our home, road trip थी. So we did that, but it really depends from child to child, and I think you as a mother and you as parents would know what is the right age, so you're the best judge. And you have to feel comfortable as a parent, you have to feel confident as a parent for your child's first travel. And first travel feels a bit stressful, but later you're like, I'm a pro. So just do it. It's like diving in. You want to travel, you feel like you really want to do this, बस कर लो, समुंदर में डुबकी मार लो. What do I do to calm myself when I feel overstimulated is this. Basically just do something for yourself. It could be go out for a walk, go for a head spa, go for a head wash because you didn't get time in the shower today. That's what happened with me, by the way. Before I could even reach the shampoo stage, I heard mama, mama, mama. So now that she's sleeping, I decided to do something for myself. So that's how I calm myself. What do I do to keep her entertained during the flight, takeoff and landing? Is, you've heard of that, right? Feed the baby. Feed the baby. Simple. Dudu pilau. Sorted. Oh! This is an important one. How do I deal with mom guilt while traveling? I mean, say if I want to have fun, or if I'm really exhausted, and I deal. I deal and I try. मुश्किल होता है, जैसे कि अभी इस ट्रिप पे मैंने सोचा था अब मैं अपना स्विमिंग का वर्कआउट बहुत रेगुलरली करने वाली हूँ, एंड एवरी डे आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई and get that time. And honestly, in these 7 days, I haven't got the time. And today I did, and I got Shukar with me, but उसको थोड़ी भूख ज़्यादा लग रही थी, पानी थोड़ा ठंडा था, so she barely stayed in the water for 10 minutes. And I was going to step out, and then I was like, it's okay, अच्छे मूड में है, इसको भेज देती हूँ, नानी इसको नहला देगी और मैं थोड़ी स्विमिंग कर लेती हूँ. And I swam. Did I feel guilty? And was my mind working कि I hope वो ठीक से नहा रही है, I hope वो रो तो नहीं रही, I hope उसको ज़्यादा भूख तो नहीं लगी है. Obviously all these questions are going on in my head, but I swam. Not half an hour, but like 15 minutes. So I got 15 minutes to myself and I felt guilty and I deal with it. And now my baby is here somewhere playing. And I feel good. So you just deal with the mom guilt. You do what you have to do. Every day is not going to be perfect. There are going to be times when you want to do things for yourself, and you absolutely must. Because remember, according to my Instagram reel and according to what I really genuinely believe, a fulfilled mom is more patient, more present, and definitely more joyful. And that's what you want to give your child. Hi, sugar. What looks super easy on Instagram but is hard in real life is taking pictures while traveling. All these beautiful pictures that you see on Instagram that are so picture perfect are actually so hard, or they've just been taken by the way. या आशीष ने ले ली या नानी ने ले ली या किसी ने बस ले ली फोटो या वो आ गई. बट मोस्टली even ये करने में, right, I'm trying to shoot this and I'm trying to be very ambitious. Oh my god, do you hear that? So this is harder in real life than it looks on Instagram. दूध की डिमांड हो चुकी है. Bye.